Step 1. Spray liquid wrench on drain bolts. Step 2. Plug the drain with a drain plug, piece of metal, cardboard, or piece of insulation. Do not use a rag. Step 3. Remove drain bolts and ring and inspect for broken or missing pieces. Remove all membrane or lead flashings and clean any debris from the drain. Step 4. Fasten plates and fasteners per manufacturer's specification. Step 5. Hand tighten the drain bolts without washers. Apply 1 tube of water block. Install the new membrane and weld all seams. Put pressure on the membrane to find the drain bolts and cut tight holes to expose the head of each bolt. Remove all bolts. Step 7. Install bolts with washers and tighten with a ratchet in a crossing pattern to achieve even compression. If bolts are too long, additional washers may be. Step 8. Cut a hole in the membrane that is larger than the leader pipe and 1 inch from the drain bolts. Carefully remove the drain plug from the hole. Step 9. Install the drain bowl.